Airmoto Tire Inflator, your roadside hero. Imagine being on a long drive and suddenly noticing your tire pressure dropping. Panic sets in. You're far from the nearest service station. Don't worry, the Airmoto Tire Inflator is here to save your day and keep you on your journey without a hiccup. The Airmoto inflates tires within minutes. Its compact design fits in your glove box, making it the perfect travel companion. It features a user-friendly interface that allows you to select pressure and inflate your tires with precision up to 120 psi swiftly. No need to guess when to stop. The Airmoto's auto shutoff function activates once the desired pressure is reached, ensuring optimal safety. With its built-in digital gauge, you can effortlessly monitor your tire pressure for safe and efficient inflation every journey. Whether it's your car, motorcycle, or bicycle, Airmoto handles it all. Equipped with multiple valve attachments, it inflates sports equipment too. It's powerful but compact, providing peace of mind to drivers who love adventure without adding bulk to their gear. It's not just a pump, it's your nighttime ally. The integrated LED flashlight ensures you can inflate safely even in low-light conditions. Whether you're on a late drive or dealing with a roadside situation after dark, Airmoto's got you covered. Preparedness is key to peace of mind on the road. With Airmoto in your vehicle, you'll be ready for any tire-related issues that cross your path. Ensure a smooth travel experience every time you're on the road. Get your Airmoto Tire Inflator today and travel with confidence. Click the link in the description to order yours and make every drive safer and more secure. Don't wait for a flat tire to ruin your plans.